For our first episode, we're going to unpack how wisdom became the property of the human race. This story goes all the way back to West African folklore. A guy called Father Anansi, who held all the wisdom in the world, and people would travel from far and wide for him to resolve their problems. One day, the people of the country upset him, and in his anger, he decided he wanted to collect all of the wisdom he shared and put it away and hide it far, far away from the people. So once he had finally collected every bit of wisdom he had shared and put it in a pot, he sealed it, and he carried this pot all the way into the woods. But little did he know that his son, Kwekutsin, was watching carefully, and he followed his father. So Anansi made his way through the forest, and he found the highest tree because he wanted to make sure that this pot was so far out of the human's reach that they would never ever be able to get it. He gets to the tree with this pot around his neck, and he attempts to climb. And every time he tries to climb, the pot swings in front of him, and it makes it really hard for him to get up, and he carries on slipping down. Kwekutsin, who is paying attention to what his father is doing, he's slowly getting a little bit more anxious. And with little but a lot of energy, he shouts out to his father, who's been trying for some time, "Father, why don't you put the pot on your neck and towards your back so you have your arms and you can climb the tree?" Anansi is confused at this point. And he says, "Son, I thought all the wisdom in the world was packed into this pot. And yet I failed with all of this wisdom to climb the tree. And here you are, gifting me a solution. So this wisdom is not sufficient enough. And it's worth nothing." And in that anger again, he lets go of this pot, and it hits the ground, and that's how the wisdom of the world escaped.